Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Windows 10 Bedrock Edition from the Microsoft Store or Xbox app. That matters because paths differ. Once done, open File Explorer, enable hidden items in the View menu so system folders show, and paste %local app data % into the address bar. You do this to reach the package's folder faster. It bypasses hunting through C/users. Then open the package's directory to prepare for the next navigation step into Minecraft's package. You now open Microsoft. Minecraft UWP8 Wekib 3D8 BBWE inside packages. That exact folder name contains the game state. Once inside, go to local state, then games, then com. Mojang, this is where user worlds and add-ons live. Make sure to look for Minecraft worlds for worlds, resource packs for textures, and behavior packs for mods. If you plan to copy or edit files, close Minecraft first so saves aren't corrupted. You'll see numeric folder names inside Minecraft worlds representing each world. You finish by backing up the com. Mojang folder to another location before making changes. This protects saves and packs. Then perform edits or copy worlds into the Minecraft worlds folder, and when finished, start Minecraft to verify. If you encounter access denied, make sure you run File Explorer as administrator or adjust folder permissions. That fixes most rights issues. Troubleshooting tip: if the Minecraft UWP folder is missing, confirm you installed the store version, not Java, and check Xbox Game Pass install paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.